Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your maximum brain capacity. To begin, prioritize your foundational habits. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. This is crucial for brain restoration and memory consolidation. Fuel your brain with a balanced diet, focusing on omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants found in foods like fish and berries. Also, incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to boost blood flow and cognitive function. Next, actively boost your cognitive function. Challenge your brain by consistently learning new skills, whether it's a musical instrument or a new language. This builds new neural pathways. Incorporate mindfulness meditation for 10 to 15 minutes daily to improve your focus and reduce mental clutter. Additionally, engage in memory exercises, such as recalling intricate details from your day or playing brain training games, to keep your recall sharp and agile. Creating an optimal environment is also key. Minimize distractions by designating a quiet, dedicated workspace free from interruptions, allowing for deep concentration. Actively manage stress through techniques like deep breathing exercises or short breaks, as chronic stress can impair cognitive abilities. Furthermore, ensure you stay adequately hydrated. Drinking around 8 glasses of water daily is vital for maintaining optimal brain function and energy levels throughout your day. Finally, focus on sustaining long-term brain health. Commit to lifelong learning by continuously exploring new subjects and challenging your intellect, keeping your mind active and adaptable. Maintain strong social connections. Engaging with others fosters emotional well-being and provides cognitive stimulation. Remember to take regular short breaks during intensive work periods to prevent mental fatigue and improve overall productivity, ensuring your brain remains at its peak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.